Hey everyone, welcome back to Toe of the Week. Stay tuned to see what I did. Welcome back everybody. Great to see all of you. I am back doing another video. This is my toe of the week, matching the nails I did on Monday. Those beautiful Dreamcatcher nails using Robin Moses's brushes. I love them. I will have her link down in the box so you guys can check her out. If you want to order them in her boxes, you'll see how to order them. But anyways, the toe design I did does not have the Dreamcatcher. I just wanted to make them a little bit more simpler because I'm kind of in a hurry this week. But other than that, I hope you guys will enjoy it. It matches and it's very cute. And as always, there'll be an outfit to match on Friday. I love you guys very much. Let's get started on this video. Take care, everyone, and God bless. Hey, everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for this week's toe design. A beautiful nude and red with bows and stones. If you'd like to see how I did this one, continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. This is Toe of the Week. This set of nails, as always, is going to match the nails that I did on Monday. I did the Dreamcatcher set. If you didn't get a chance to see that, definitely check that out. And now I'm doing the toe design. Now on the toe, I am not going to do a Dreamcatcher on the toe. I always do the toes a little bit different, but they always match. So I am going to do one of the designs that I did on my fingers, which was a V in red, and then it had the rhinestones around it. I'm going to do that on both of these. And then this one, I'm going to put the bow on it just to make it a little bit more simple. I'm kind of in a hurry. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you what I'm using in today's design. I'm using the same two colors I got from Dollar Tree like I did in Monday's video. It is the Kiss Gel. That one is called Attitude. And this beautiful nude is called Simply by LA Colors. Love it. I'll link all that down in the box. And then for the white, the tip, I did the NYC French tip. I will show you guys how I'm doing that. So I left one open for you. And then I will be using the same red paint to do that V. And I will be working with that awesome Robin Moses brush that I got called the Wand. Let me turn this around. The Wand. And there is her name on there. Again, I will link her channel down in the box. And if you go into her videos, she has got the site to be able to order the brushes. They are $10 a piece if you order both, because I did. I got the unicorn as well. It's right here. That is a long liner. And there's her name. You get them for $18 for the two if you order the two together. So that's what I'm going to be working with, is that brush just to do that red in there. And I'll be working with these bows here that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use those black bows. I just need one on each toe. I will glue them down with the ASP glue. And then I will use these tiny, tiny stones, also from Hobby Lobby. The ones I used on Monday were from Hobby Lobby. They were 10 SS. These are 6 SS or smaller, very tiny. There's 6 SS, that's right. I'm going to use that around in the clear, just around to border that red V that I do. And then I will top everything off with my Dry Fast Top Coat, the Seche Vite. So I am going to get going and get ready to do the white tip. I will return in just one moment for you. All right, let me show you how I'm doing this. I did not show in the video I did on Monday, I did not show how to do that white tip. I've done white tips in front of you guys before freehand. If you don't feel confident enough in yourself to do it freehand, then go ahead and use, after your nail's completely dry, you can put a piece of tape going across, do your white, and then peel it off right away while the white is still wet. Or you can do, they do make those little white stickers to do French. So you could do it that way if you don't feel confident. But here's how I do it. I just get the paint, on the brush, and then I just come up to the nail where I'm going to be doing the amount I want. And then I just start going from there. And what you do is you push down, pull up. So put it down, push down, pull up, push it down, pull up, push it down, pull up. And that's where you get your, your nice line. Does not have to be perfect. They always look great. As long as you get a pretty close line, you're going to do all right. And then I'm just going to clean up that little bit that got on the toe there. Anything else I will clean up later if I have any more. And then just real quick while it's wet, I'm just going to just go through it real quick again just to kind of line it a little better. But yeah, it's just as simple. Put it down, pull up. Put it down, pull up. Give that little bit of pressure when you're doing it or whatever so that you know, will make that line for you. If you're putting pressure, that's where it's going to keep it a nice line for you. But that's how you do it. So I just thought I would show you because I didn't show in the nail video. The nail video I did a little bit different anyways. I kind of angled that French. So, but that's how you do it on the toes. I'm going to let this dry up and I will return to start showing you the V part. I'll do a few and show you. All right, so I've got the V going on this one, and that one. I left this one open to show you. Again, I'm using the red polish. There it is right there. I'm going to draw in. Get a little bit closer here for you. And I'm just going to dip in with that Robin Moses brush. Love her brush. Fill it up with paint there, just part way up the brush. And I'm just going to do a V here. So I'm just going to come up, go to the other side, same thing, come up. Meeting them in the middle there. Don't worry about it being too straight because you're going to, excuse me, you're going to border it with rhinestones. So it's going to get nice and straight that way. But, you know, to the best that you can. Filling it all in. Like that. Just like that. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to be filling it in with the rhinestones. So just like that. And now I'm going to let these dry. And I'm going to start getting the rhinestones going. And then I'll return once I get those in. Okay, so I am back. I did try to show you doing the rhinestones, but I must not have been recording. Sorry about that. It's pretty simple. I just take an orange wood stick, dip it into glue that I've put onto my little ceramic plate here, and I just put the glue wherever I want it, and then I start picking up the stones and putting them on. But right now I'm going to dip the orange wood stick into the glue, and we're going to put the bow on. So I'm just going to be putting glue across here. Let me draw in closer for you. Okay, so I'm just going to dip in my glue and get enough glue on here to hold that bow down. So like that, that should be good. And then I'm going to pick it up with this with the tweezers, just to pick this bow up. It's a little bit easier because the bow is a little bigger. So pick it up and we're just going to set it right there. And then I am going to use my finger to line it up and get it in place and then give it a push into the glue. Sometimes it'll slide a little bit. Don't worry, just get it to work for you before you release it. You know, just keep pushing it into the glue until it sets. And then it'll dry even more. So don't worry about that. It'll be good. But isn't that just darling with the bow? I love it with the bow. I think they are super cute. So let's draw out here. So now everything is done. The design looks great. I'll show you it with my nails. See, it still matches, still is very cute. So I am going to dry this up with my Seche Vite top coat. I'm going to go over these. I will show you how to go over the bows. Let me get one foot done and I'll return to show you that. I never thought about that, but I should show you. I've showed you how to go over stones. Now I'll show you how to go over the bow. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got them all done with Seche Vite except for the big one here. I'm going to show you that going over this bow. So all you would do is get a nice big amount because this is going to dry fast. So get a nice thick coat and just drizzle it right down over your stones and go right over them. But after you go over them, you also want to go around the bow too. And you want to have a lot of polish, okay? A lot of the clear coat. It's going to dry fast. Don't worry about that. So go around all the edges, pulling out any bubbles because you don't want any bubbles in there. Just going around all the edges. Go over your bow too though. And that is what helps it to hold. So I just keep getting a little bit more if it's not enough. Going across the top here. All inside of all these nooks and crannies, all over all your stones. Make sure you're going all over all the stones too. And over your bow so you make your bow even shinier. But yeah, just go like that. And then I'm just going to, oh, not my finger. I don't have the glove on right now. I'm going to grab, where are those tweezers? Oh, right here. I'm just going to grab the tweezers here and just pick up a little bit of that excess stuff that went to the sides there. You just go like that. So, but that is how you do it, and it's going to dry really nice, and it's going to look pretty. So I'm going to get dried up here, and I will meet you back with the finished product. Alrighty, another toe design down and done. Love the way this one turned out. I apologize that I did not copy the exact look like I did here on my nails, but I'm in kind of a hurry, and you see it still matches and looks great. And I do love the way it turned out. It's so festive and perfect for this time of the year. And if you do not like the red, you can definitely use any other color in place of the red. But I love those bows, so inexpensive from the dollar store, just adorable. And then the rhinestones to frame it. Love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Definitely give it a try. And I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in my very next video. Take care and God bless.